Hey guys, welcome back to Mole Maddie, and today let's just talk about our favourite animals, right? I've got 5 favourite animals, but my first one's obviously a goat. So first is a goat. Second is, goats are actually kind of funny because they're just I love them. And then second is a horse because my friend has a horse, literally. Well, actually, my second is a dog. A dog. Because they're so cute. I have a dog. He's an English bulldog called Abe. He's so cute. So yeah, I love dogs as well. So that's second. Third is a horse because my friend has a horse and I go to see it sometimes. She's called Annie. I made a video at her. So go check it out. And so yeah, fourth is a koala bear because they're just so cuddly, and then fifth is a panda because they're so cuddly as well. So yeah, comment down below what your favorite animal is, and yeah, and comment down below hashtag goat squad and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and peace out.